How to connect Android Auto wirelessly to your car. Connect CarPlay AI box to your car infotainment. Turn on Bluetooth and search for your Android phone Bluetooth. It's crucial for establishing a wireless connection between your phone and your car's infotainment system. After a successful Bluetooth connection, click AutoKit. Voila! You're now connected wirelessly to Android Auto. You can access navigation, music, messaging, and more directly from your car's screen, while keeping your phone safely tucked away.